How to delete account on WhatsApp? Are you guys facing issues to delete your account on WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now scroll down. You'll be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on close account. Once you click on it, now you need to choose your reason why you want to close your account. Now click on close account. Now click on continue with account closure. Again tap on continue with account closure. Now tap on close account. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna delete our account on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.